up guys? I'm in the camera this time with Callum. We're out back at Arc, but the Xmaxx is broken. We blew the motor on it. So we've got a new one coming though, that's good news. So instead, we had room for another big car. Another big car that hasn't been out for a while. We brought out with us the Outcast 8S. Last time this car was out was when we did the Outcast 8S versus the Traxxas Xmaxx video. I'll put a link in the description above where you can see that one. But it hasn't been out since then. We fixed up the shocks. We've actually got the M2C shock shafts on there. We've gone with lighter oil. So we thought we'd bring it out and see how that performs today. See if we get any breakages. But if you like what we do, please remember to
subscribe, hit the like, comment down below and turn on the notifications.
And give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing.
And dislike if you don't like what we're doing.
Is it going to the moon?
It's going to the moon.
It's going to the moon? Martin says it's going to the moon.
Yeah, it's not going to the moon.
So, we have the battle of the Outcast 8Ss. We got Hardcore RC's 8S, and we got Kev's 8S. Kev's is a little bit modified though, he's running 800 kV, we're running stock. Who will win? Callum's off to the lead. I'm going to get round from here because it's dangerous around here. Kev's after it. No. Oh, Callum's romping it. Is it 2 laps or 1 lap? This Outcast 8S actually is handling this track beautifully. Oh! Tried to do a spin in the air. Easy win. I think Callum's quite happy. Another win under his belt. Handles really well actually on this track. I'm a bit shocked at that, being brutally honest with you. Didn't think it would handle like that. Ah, here comes the rain. Oh, they're off. Callum's coming up. Ooh. Goes Kev first. Posted by Callum. Oh, they're going to battle it out here. Who's coming over the top? There goes Callum. Callum's just taking Kevin. Oh, he's chasing down the little buggy now. He's gonna eat the buggy. What a nice little drift up the other side. It's handling like a breeze. Oh, Kev's after him. Oh, Kev's gone out. Oh, getting mullered now. Getting chased down that little buggy. Poor little buggy. Oh! Someone's gone over. Oh! I'm going in. This weather is horrible. It's horrible! Hey, Callum's off in the lead again. Oh, look at that car. Oh, Kev's just up the inside and Callum's then overtaking the lead. Oh, Kev's
So slippery, isn't it?
Yeah, Class 8S is absolutely whipping around this track.
So how come your one steers and mine don't?
I think it's the driver, Kev.
You need to put a link button out of it. Not feeling it.
I'm going to beat you next time.
Is that 3 for 3, Callum? I think they're swapping over. So Kev's now driving ours.
I'm blaming the servo.
And Callum's driving Kev. So whose is whose? So that's Callum, that's Kev.
Ready, go!
And Callum's taking the lead in Kev's Xmaxx. Oh no, Callum's all over the place. Kev's winning with our one now. Oh! I think Kev's one could be have a problem with the steering. Could even. No. Callum's having all sorts of trouble. And Kev bronks it home with our one. Oh, nice little drift around the corner. Yeah. Big problem with Kevin one. Oh, that's broken. Oh, that's done. Oh dear. What happened?
Broke it.
He broke it. Broke it. Never mind. Shocks. What are the shocks doing? Quick, check the shocks out.
I think they're alright, they're straight.
Shocks are still straight.
Shocks are still straight.
Is that one still straight?
I think they are still straight.
It's just, actually, it's not shattered this time though, is it?
No.
It's just gone there.
Yeah.
See if anyone's got a spare one here and we get that fixed up and there we go. We're all fixed up, ready to go!
Yeah.
We have the battle of the big boys. 3 Creighton 8Ss, an EXB Creighton 8S, and Callum with the Outcast 8S. Who's going to win? Me. Callum. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, Callum whips up the inside. Oh, Martin is after him. Oh, what was cheating? Oh, Callum. Oh, no. Going for it. Oh, ball slice out. Callum's going to take it now. Oh. Callum lifts up the inside. Oh, a bit of dirty playing going on there. Oh, that's cheat. Oh, there goes the EXB. Oh, that's divine, that is. Quick, Callum, keep going. Oh, yeah, quick. Oh, Callum. I think Callum comes in for a default win there. Oh, little wheelie for a win. That's divine intervention, that is, Bournemouth. Round 2. Are you ready? Your marks, get set, go! Callum whips up the inside. Oh, the EXB. Oh, look at that. That is dirty playing going on here. Speed's gone out. Callum's going back up now. Oh, Bournemouth trying to take the shortcut. Martin Mitchell on the lead. Is it 1 or 2 laps? Callum, they're playing dirty, mate. It's bumper cars. Marks, get set. Go, 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 go. Oh, Callum, oh, yes, Callum's back on his feet. Some big jumping going on here now. It's absolute carnage right here. Absolute carnage going on. Almost got busted rear wing. It's carnage. They're off for another round. It's absolute. The big boy bullying sessions. Oh, Martin's trying to cut off Callum. Oh, takes him on the inside though. Nicely done. Oh, it's like the little nudges. But who was he? Running Scott, with all these other cars are pretty much all geared up. Oh, taking out the EXB. Callum's starting to give a good as he gets now. Oh, tipped up the inside. Oh! Callum comes in second on that one. You ready? Marks, get set, go! Oh, it's off to a good start. Oh. Yes. Great. Oh, I'm in danger spot. Sadly, guys, the servo's gone on the Outcast 8S. So that's it. That is the end for today. But we've actually enjoyed driving that today. Have you enjoyed it?
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it? It actually surprised us a bit. Maybe we've been a bit unkind to the Outcast 8S? Do you think?
Yeah.
I think we might need to bring it out a bit more.
Yeah.
I want to see more of this Outcast 8S coming out a bit more now. Please remember to
Subscribe. Hit the like.
Turn-
Down below.
turn on those notifications, guys, and give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing.
And a dislike if you don't know what we're doing.
Stay safe, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Remember to check out some of these other videos that we've put up on the screen right now. Okay, guys. Bye.